Dirty bad mind, mommy do so. Be a negative, you just a carry.
Oh, yeah. This is Utterance. I big up sick of pure music. The whole channel, the whole crew, Bad Cat, the whole ones them. Utterance, that's a represent, you know? Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Sick of pure music. You banner high, you banner high, you banner high. Open all the sky.
Respect.
They must be compromised this year big money and blood clot. Daddy not paying like that.
Of course.
My daddy says that they must be compromised this year
I'm
money.
God
I'm a god.
Yeah.
I am cook for me. What reason for you want to know what me eat?
Yeah.
Tell me now.
Till you come down.
Me no need it. Mom's alone me tell what me need.
Cook till you come.
Oh, it's Patrick.
Cook till you
Y'all
come.
cook till me forward. Me no eat so.
Man no provide food here.
Me no eat so.
Can't left nothing see me.
Me will never forward.
Don't plan to me.
Yeah.
Can't left no dinner see
Me
me.
no eat so.
Tell me boy you did left some
Such
dinner
man
see me.
did go and eat the wrong dinner. Left the argument, such man me tell you about. You know my cousin. Show me one of my cousin. You know my cousin there? Every cousin me have live a town. Name me one cousin in Portland. Show me one. Show me one cousin in
One way you
Portland.
tell me about such man who eat it.
Are you a give me man's cousin?
Yeah, the man
I be a nephew me have around here. And niece.
Far relative enough, near cousin.
Where?
My auntie you.
Where?
That no rate for
You know my auntie.
My auntie you.
You know for me auntie. You know my aunt. Show me one of my aunt.
Pata aunt you.
Okay. Anyway you see one of my aunt, show
Such man
me.
will eat it dinner. I know you're not family place.
Nothing to me. What about me?
Such man
So
will
all that dinner they were so over family.
Such man will eat it.
Me know
Where the wrong dinner?
None of my family.
None of my family them not wrong.
Hey.
How would it think around dinner? You say around dinner or him say
Then hold on. You can't go and go eat your dinner and sit you. No must wrong dinner you eat.
And it's sick you.
Tell me now if you go and go eat your dinner, how your dinner for sit
Oh, you
you?
go and eat wrong dinner.
I never feel.
I never for you. It never fix for you.
Wrong dinner.
Wrong dinner you eat.
Oh, so you just come here for film right dinner.
So easy. Yeah man. You eat the wrong dinner. Yeah.
Be our family.
Be yourself round there
Just
now.
be careful of how you eat.
Me not eat for you eat.
You don't have to. For eat nothing wrong. You don't have to. You don't have to eat when me eat. For eat nothing wrong. Me don't know if such man eat when me eat. And he may not eat the wrong dinner.
How will you meet?
What happened to me can't happen to you too, you know.
Oh.
We don't have to be careful in
How
our
will you happen to
life.
you can't?
Why me?
Me you not see.
Why? Why not?
Me you not going to see.
Why me? Can't bounce me down out the road, it can't
You
happen
not must
to
do me.
you. It can't. Tell me say it can't happen to you, you know.
Me never listen.
Well at that me say Patrick, what happened to me can't happen to you
No
too.
must, no
Me
must.
never say it
No
happen.
must man.
Here.
Much man a
Tell me if it can.
Yeah, and broke your foot, bum buckle.
Tell me say it can't.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, make get a push down to
So hold on now.
You know, you not push no.
Me end up getting broke.
bounce, 3 bounce, down.
In.
No, but it can't happen.
Alright, egg bus made and wet paper.
Why no?
He cut you.
What?
Egg bus made and wet paper cut me. He do you know, huh?
It's impossible. It can kill me.
So how it hurt me?
It can kill me. Yeah.
Because when you hurt me, it will kill you then.
Oh, you fucking me. Why not? Then that me say what happened to me can't happen to you too,
Yeah,
man.
okay, yeah, what you say? I know it's same way. I know really what happened to me.
Why not?
Bus made and cut me and kill you. I know
Yeah.
it's same thing.
Well, be sure you say it can cut me too.
You hurt you.
Oh, hey.
Yes, man. You want
Oh, you want to do it? Man, now fight over nothing like that.
Remember, you come and talk about
You
Jana
know,
man
try
now
hear
fight
me
about
now.
no girl, you know, man.
Nothing
And you
at all.
come with
Me
the
and no man
topic.
now fight over nothing.
Yes.
Your family is a Jerry.
You just have to
Jerry
fix up your
It's a
argument.
Jerry Wemney. You have somebody there left out.
Him can deal with something.
Look at it now.
Some boy can deal with something.
One man for me and give me alright, because I don't make it better.
And them carry barrel.
Hey.
Oh, you know him cannot.
Man in name, you know.
Oh, Uncle Turnways can make you alright.
That alone. But man in name.
So
when
what
the media
happened
look
about
finalize
what's
him,
up?
me not
Uncle
go with them.
Turnways you look for where a man can give you know.
I'm good hug up and comfort. Him can't give me that.
That Uncle that you need.
I'm money, so let me just say him not have
You
nothing
know-
above.
Why not?
Well enough for me needs.
You know what going for him a while ago.
Well enough for me, but I know him all give me nothing like me I try to
Why
tell you.
not?
What you mean why?
What you know about
What you
him that's
mean?
you know want nothing from him.
Me no want nothing from him.
And what you know about him?
Me and him don't have to know nothing. So me who support.
Then Patrick, me come today and want help you in a life, make your left market and
So,
stuff.
you so hot. You're not so
You
lucky.
don't appreciate it. Tell me now.
Appreciate it. You can't, where you all give me for
Then no help the youth come to help you have the problem. You know when the youth come to do for you.
People can't imagine me, so I'm well.
You know if him buy one today.
Somebody let's see it, man, that's why.
Wait.
So then I showcase people things.
Maybe I think come call you for show you.
Him not call me well.
Name a good number.
Him not call
You
me.
fuck up. May I tell you, you fuck up to the youth. Them not youth.
And so much you
So you just believe that you don't believe in a youth then. Youth rate.
And so much you rate.
You them rate every two, but you don't rate them.
What you mean, rate every you?
Yeah?
You patapat? You can't fuck up as so much you
Yeah,
rate.
can the youth come take your ask you what You don't make the youth know what They don't know what him can do today.
Tell him what happened.
Remember you see today and I see tomorrow now.
Tell him what time we fuck up
That's
there.
already him say, wow.
So I saw when you was with you every day.
No, I first messy.
Then that's why you have to respond to him. You couldn't tell him.
Me ask him, so where you ask me what happened for?
You couldn't tell him what happened.
Him tell me what happened.
He would like it.
That me tell him.
Make him here. Make him
When me
here.
have to tell him.
Make him here.
That him want
Make
you.
him one. And that him I look towards, you know.
But that's money we can't.
Patty wouldn't like it if you tell him. Me know that.
How you know that him I look towards?
Me no want to know where I look towards. When I look towards.
Him I look for where him I look towards.
So what?
You see anything where him I look towards, I him I look for. So that's why him check you. Cause I don't know if you have it.
Print and check. I never mean just ask.
Oh yeah, put it on printer now.
What do you mean man check the print and man?
And now you mark swap.
And pass.
That mean you fit just explain.
I excuse me. Should I excuse what I live in? That you mean, you know. That me I do.
Can you know name what?
So excuse the dad for say.
Your name what?
I never meant to say that. Him.
No, then him no could have said just like him say what him did see space
You
paper.
rate him.
No.
You rate blood
No,
clot.
no.
So you want some films.
No, the youth did see space. And you the youth rate. And that me I say
Tell
to
me what me
you.
cannot rate him then, man.
And that me know the youth them rate you, but you no rate
Me
them.
rate, but I know everyone.
See the argument come back and you tell me how much youth rate you, you know.
Yeah, but him and must one of them.
Where you rate?
Him and one of
Him
them.
rate you.
And you
Bad.
Me and no ask. No phone enough to rate me.
Him rate
Cut
you.
off everything.
Him rate you.
WhatsApp apps and them things about. Let's see
Hey,
people on the phone.
WhatsApp.
I like.
You have
Me and
seen.
ratings, man.
You have seen. That's why I'm rate you,
No,
so.
man, I don't know. I'm still a boy.
Brooks in a them a rough time, man. Come check him out. Him couldn't explain to the youth.
Could I tell you something?
Yeah, if I tell you something, you
I
fuck
tell you
up.
something.
I tell you.
Yeah, man, you talk, so what you know, Patty?
Yeah, man, you
You
fuck
coulda
up
tell him,
pat pat, man. Yeah, man.
You know, if you tell him exactly what I'm still in the way, you could have tell him a little something.
So what do you have for me tell him what?
How you know?
How you feel know?
Well, nothing no happen, so nothing in our fear what.
But you never tell
You
you
tell him, say
that.
nothing happen.
But you never wait till me done talk to you.
You start trace the youth.
Me a girl do that.
You could
Yeah,
have tell him a
violate
little
you
something,
then.
Patrick. You could
When
have
me
tell
call
him
him
something,
after me
man.
violate.
Remember, man, rate you like that, ask you what, Patrick. I fuck you, man. You could have tell him
Yeah,
something.
man, I fuck you,
Me
do
not say
pat.
nothing, man. Where
Could have tell
do
him
that?
something, man.
When me should I tell him?
Whatever
What
you want,
happened?
tell him.
I like that then come in I have nothing to tell him.
You could have tell him what.
If you go out here with me, I have to tell him.
Oh, you know.
Can't go out here with me, I have to tell him.
Yes.
Alright, now that's a good time female while you're not from.
So how will you have to tell so?
And that's the way you know you want to know. Different scenarios that total different scenario.
Yes, but
Yeah, man, you know a sicker pure. You know make the liquor cure. Yeah, man, a up scheme, cerebellum team, representing. You know, real bridging when they're in the front thing. Yeah, man, at them where they go. You know? Say the woman on me yard, oh yeah. Say the woman on me yard, oh yeah. Say the woman on me yard, she a breed. Say the woman on me yard, she a breed. I'm still have 3 kids out of street. All people have to wonder me do it. They use them higher investment. Say if you not help the youth, it no make sense. You better teach them to rob and jump fence. You better teach them about the recompense. You better teach them to humble and patient. And tell them try down the patient. And they tooth, the teacher down the student. You better teach them to wise and prudent. Say the woman on me yard, oh yeah. Yeah man, sick of pure. Yeah, sick of something. Yeah man, I way up, you know, stay up, you know. When we hold on, we up, you know. That's right. Yeah.